In this video, we're going to be putting wet look floor polish, original from Zeps. We're putting this as a clear coat on the car. My first step was washing at the car wash. My second step is take the buff pad and just start doing it like that. Circular motions. Really good. That's all I'm going to do. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take it right back outside, hit it with a water hose, get all that grit and whatever little, small particles that came off. I'm gonna get those off, dry the car, and then I'm gonna take a sponge like this here, cut them up in halves. And it doesn't take much because I already did my dirt bike. I don't know if you can notice. It's not even painted plastic, it's just regular black plastic. But it's got this shine to it. It used to be flat black, and now, because I tested it on the bike. So I'm going to do it on the car next and see how good it comes out. And then if it's any good, I'm going to do it to the truck. The car and the truck both are 17 years old. Paint's faded. This is a cheap way. Now they have, I think, 2 other official car waxes, that wipe on car waxes that you can do. And it's like a 32 ounce bottle. And it's like $140. I'm like, no way. Let's get started with the buffing and let the fun commence. Done. All right, that took 7.5 minutes. I scrubbed the crap out of it. You probably noticed I didn't do the mirrors because I just went and painted them. And the color came out looking damn near the same. The paint that I used, I got it at Walmart. You can probably get it anywhere else too. This stuff right here, Rust-Oleum metallic brilliant metal finish. The barcode paint color is cobalt blue, metallic cobalt blue. But when they put a new windshield on the car, they put that tape on there. Well, I took off the residue, but it still has that color. I guess it's gonna show up afterwards. It's kind of shitty. I can't get it off anymore. Nah, it's like the clear coat's coming off, and now that's the blue. So if they put that tape on y'all, on your stuff, and it's like blasting in the sun, just take it off. That tape ain't gonna hold the damn windshield on. It's stupid. All it's gonna do is screw up your paint. You can see all the loose stuff that I took off. So yeah, bugs, license plate, fresh paint, don't worry about it because it's brand new paint. There's no trash in it. I mean, you can scrub it, but it's pretty much smooth already. And I think that's it. And scrub that too because I plan to do the wheels as well. I want to put a clear coat on that, the floor polish, and show you what that looks like. So enough talking. Let me clean these wheels. Take it outside, wash off the grit. Come back inside, give it a nice towel dry, and start applying the Zeps. All right, took it outside real quick and washed it. Also, we're gonna go ahead and hit these plastics. I got a feeling those are gonna come out looking shiny, just like the dirt bike did. We're gonna hit the plastics, the wheels, the metal, the license plate, all that shit. Don't worry if you get it on the molding, on the glass will come right off. But all it's gonna do, if it does anything, is make it shine a little bit. I'm doing this fast and quick. Like I said, this is like in real time. I just went out and washed it. I took like another 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, whatever. But you know, when I do something probably a little bit more important to me, you know, the FJ, I'm gonna do it when it's sunny out and take my time, make sure I cover all the bases. You know, just take your time and put some love into it. With that said, I think I'm going to go inside and sip on some iced tea. Come back out, hit it with the shop towel, or not a shop towel, but more like a shower towel, and dry it up real good. And we're gonna bring it back in with the Zeps. All right, the car is about as dry as I can get it with the beach towel. I'm gonna let it sit here and just let the little bit of remnants just vaporize, and then we'll come back and we'll start the coat. All right, y'all ready for the final application? Give me a sponge here. Oh, let me give me a glove first. So I don't think this stuff is really potent for your hands and stuff, your skin, but I just don't want that greasy stuff on me, so I'm gonna put some gloves on. That way I'm clean afterwards. I should have done this when I changed the oil. I got oil all over my hands. That sucks. All right. So really, you don't need to put a lot of this on the sponge. A little bit goes a really long way. So, all right, that's like the size of a quarter. And we're gonna go ahead and hit the roof. From what I heard is you want to go in long streaks. And I probably should have started in the middle. That would have made sense, right? We'll do it on the other side. Oh, she's coming down now. It's raining out there. So it's dark in here and you can already see a shine to it. Now I just did the passenger side. There's a headlight looking brand new. And there's the difference, really. Shiny, not shiny. Shiny, not shiny. And this is what it looks like when you put it on. There, I just put it on. It's that easy. I'm gonna do the rest of the car, and I'm gonna cut this video now. And whenever the sun comes out over here, it hasn't been out in forever. Whenever it comes out, I'm gonna put it on video and show you the results. It looks like, I mean, it's like you're putting on tire shine that doesn't wash off. And this is my first time testing it. Most people say you gotta do it once a year. This really ain't that hard, just wiping it. It's kind of like using a towel to dry your vehicle. You know, it's like you just put it on and that's it. So it's, you know, we'll see, you know, but like I said, I'm gonna bring you back when it's sunny out and we can take a look at what it did. So hope to see y'all in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. It's finally a nice sunny day, and I got this thing coated with the Zeps, and it looks really good. I really like it. It really brings out the metal flake in the paint. The only thing I wouldn't have done, or the only thing I would do differently is on newer paints like this, just don't scuff it with the scuff pad. You know, this was just a test run on an old beater car. Now I know newer cars or nicer cars that still have paint that looks fairly this good, there's really no need to scuff it. Maybe clay bar it would be as far as I would go. Where that tape was stuck to the paint, obviously it ruined it there, but the roof came out nice and clear. The hood's really nice. Really, in the sunlight you can see a lot of the original metal flake that this car had back in 2008. See it there? That's just the original metal flake that was there, and it's all throughout the car. It looks really good. It brought it out. And so what I'm going to do is let it sit for about a week and then wash it again real good and do one more coat. I'm thinking that'll really smooth out the scuff marks. The headlight was not a product of what I've done. It really wasn't looking good with the Zeps on it, so I took some oven stovetop cleaner, that gritty paste, and I scrubbed it, wiped it clean, and just sprayed clear coat spray paint on it. And that's about the same as what you're going to get with the Meguiar's kind of stuff. You know, I think this will last longer because it's actually spray paint. It sticks better. This headlight looks better because somebody replaced it back before I got it. I guess they hit that corner. But there's the results. Doesn't look too bad. You know, the mirrors don't match completely to the paint, but it looks close enough. It's got metal flake in it, and I'm happy with it. It's better than all the chips that it had before. And the molding that runs along the bottoms, those were chipped pretty bad too. But other than that, it came out pretty good. Even the wheels are a little shiny. You know, they didn't have that kind of shine on there. They were pretty old and faded, so it brought it back. So there you go. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Check out other things on the channel or what I do. Hey, even on the plastic molding, it came out with the shine. Not too bad. Not too bad for an old 17-year-old car. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.